saan yung park kagabi. So, ayan po, mayroong mga parking ng mga bicycle. Galing. I think nirerentahan ito eh. Nirerentahan yata. Oo nga, nirerentahan yun. Ay, hindi. Ito po ang famous. Alam, diyan ka lang, nak. Diyan ka, dali. Diyan ka. B! Ay, sige. Mawawala ka dyan. Nalulungkot na siya kasi gusto niya yung park. Ay, hindi namin makita yung park. Teka lang, titingnan natin sa map kung saan. Guys, say hi guys. We're going to the 7-Eleven. Paglabas namin ayan. Ito oh, yan ang pinaka-famous dito, ang manis ko. Coffee. May init yan. Wait. Where do you want to go?
To the playground.
We don't know eh. No, here. Here. We were going for a walk. Yan, with my daughter. I'm here. This is our house. We're going for a walk. So clean. Wala kami mahanap na playground. Ayan, dyan na lang siya nagpa-playground. Come. Go na. This way.
Where are you going?
We're looking for a park, right?
Hoy, upo muna. Magpapahinga muna ako.
Okay.
Hoy, dun tayo sa may...
Oh, dito ka lang. Don't go there. Oh, on the line of